Hello and welcome to Gadgets Kanyashanti. If you like our content, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. All the links to the products are in the description below.
Number 1. The VICSEED 4-in-1 smartphone car mount is a versatile and durable accessory for your vehicle. Made with high-quality airliner PTFE PC material, it can be securely mounted on your dashboard, windshield, or air vent. This car mount is compatible with most cars, trucks, SUVs, and taxis, making it a great tool for Uber and Lyft drivers. If you are unsatisfied with your purchase, VICSEED offers a replacement or refund. This phone mount provides stable and safe support for your phone with its upgraded super strong stickiness suction cup and 2-step lock mechanism. The extra dashboard pad creates a smooth surface for added stability. The flexible air vent clip fits most cars and the silicone grip protects the blades from scratches. The universal cell phone holder fits most smartphones in cases, including the latest models like the iPhone 14 and Samsung Galaxy Note 20. The 360-degree rotation and adjustable telescopic arm provide a perfect viewing angle. This mount can be used vertically or horizontally, allowing for easy navigation and phone calls. With one-hand operation, this phone mount is easy to install and use. The VICSEED phone mount for cars made with durable carbon fiber panel and temperature-resistant airliner PTFE. It stays clean and new-looking even after multiple uses, unlike other silicone phone clamps that can get dirty easily. Choose this durable and reliable car phone mount for your driving journey. Number 2. REDTIGER has unveiled its latest innovation in the field of dash cam, the F7NP Dual Dash Cam, which records video in both Ultra HD 4K 3840x2160p and Full HD 1080p resolutions. Equipped with a front wide angle of 170 degrees and a rear wide angle of 140 degrees, the camera effectively minimizes blind spots and captures crucial details such as vehicle number plates and road signs. With its superior night vision capabilities, the F7NP Dual Dash Cam offers clear footage even under low light conditions, thanks to its excellent optical lens with an ultra-large f1.5 aperture and 6 layers, coupled with HDR/WDR technology. Moreover, the cam allows for easy video management, viewing, and editing through its REDTIGER app, which can be downloaded on both iOS and Android devices. The app also enables users to share their travel moments with their loved ones by just one click. The built-in GPS feature provides real-time speed, location, and driving route details, which can be tracked on Google Maps via the app or displayer on Windows and Mac. In case of sudden collisions, the G sensor locks and saves the collision video, while the loop recording feature ensures continuous recording even when the SD card is full. Lastly, the 24-hour parking monitor with a time-lapse function guarantees non-stop recording for 24 hours, providing an added layer of protection for your car. The F7NP Dual Dash Cam is a must-have for those looking for a reliable and efficient solution for their car safety and security. Number 3. The LeeKooLuu Backup Camera Monitor Kit is a reliable and easy-to-install accessory for your vehicle. The reverse camera and monitor are connected directly via a 4-pin cable with a power cord connector. You can power it to reverse lights when the vehicle is in reverse gear, or you can connect it directly to a 12V source fuse box or cigarette lighter/power point/ignition switch for continuous use. The camera is IP69K waterproof and can withstand any weather condition, ensuring durability. With its Color HD license plate camera, 149-degree viewing angle, and 6 white LED lights, you can get crystal clear color during the day or night. The camera also comes with DIY settings, allowing you to adjust the parking line's width, move it left/right/up/down to fit the real condition, and even turn it off if not needed. You can also flip the image between mirror, rear view, and facing, front view, and use the camera as a rear backup or front camera as needed. The kit also includes an HD 4.3-inch LCD display monitor with a magnetic bracket that can rotate 360 degrees. You can mount the monitor on the dash or windshield for convenience. The camera is equipped with an upgraded 6-glass lens that provides a crystal clear image. The digital high-definition image processor ensures superior night vision, up to 30 feet in complete darkness. The camera's HD license plate camera with a 150-degree viewing angle provides you with a broader visual angle. With this backup camera monitor kit, you can drive and park with confidence. Number 4. The COMSOON Bluetooth 5.0 receiver is a fantastic device that allows you to enjoy wireless streaming music in your car or at home. With the ability to connect to non-Bluetooth car audio systems, home stereos, speakers, and wired headphones via the 3.5mm O adapter, you can easily and quickly connect to your favorite audio devices. Equipped with a Bluetooth 5.0 chip, this Bluetooth audio receiver ensures stable connections, fast transmission, and wide signal ranges. It also features intelligent noise reduction technology, using the latest CVC 8.0 noise cancellation and digital signal processor (DSP) technologies to eliminate echo and block out intrusive background noise like wind, traffic, or crowds. This ensures crystal clear calling sounds for hands-free calling and navigation. The COMSOON Bluetooth 5.0 receiver boasts up to 16 hours of battery life for playing music or making calls. It takes only 2.5 hours to fully charge the device with the Type-C fast charging cable, included in the package. The device can also be used while charging, providing great convenience. The device features a built-in microphone and one MFB button to answer/redial/hang-up/reject calls, allowing for hands-free calling. The Bluetooth audio adapter also supports broadcasting voice notification from existing navigation apps, helping you stay safe while driving. Additionally, the portable Bluetooth stereo adapter can be paired with 2 devices at the same time, allowing you to enjoy your music while never missing any calls. Once paired, the car receiver will automatically reconnect to your last paired Bluetooth devices, as long as they are within the wireless range. Number 5. Experience the ultimate protection on the road with the Cobra RAD480i radar detector. It boasts 2x the detection range of its predecessor for advanced warnings, coupled with next-gen IVT filtering to eliminate unwanted alerts. The best of radar detectors for cars, it provides enhanced digital signal processing, DSP, for rapid warnings, keeping you informed and alert. Stay connected with Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to access the Cobra community and receive real-time driver alerts from the Cobra iRadar app. You can also share and receive real-time alerts from the Cobra driving community, giving you millions of user-based traffic avoidance exchanges for increased awareness and ultimate road coverage. The Cobra RAD480i radar detector features front and rear detection with Cobra's new laser eye technology that detects signals from both directions, giving you all-around protection wherever your adventures take you. With the iRadar app, you can receive real-time alerts to red light, speed camera, and law enforcement activity from a community of over 3 million drivers. This police scanner also comes with long-range detection thanks to the next-generation updatable IVT filter and advanced anti-falsing circuitry, which intelligently reduces false alerts from blind spot systems and other vehicle avoidance systems. Digital signal processing provides faster processing for all incoming laser gun signals, giving you early warnings and rapidly providing accurate alerts, making you aware of a threat before it is right in front of you. The Cobra RAD480i radar detector comes with everything you need, including a 12 volts vehicle power cord, suction cup car windshield mount, and a hook and loop fastener for dash mounting, so you can take it wherever the road takes you. Experience the ultimate protection on the road with the Cobra RAD480i radar detector.